How to set up a new admin PIN code. For security purposes, no other configuration is available until this step is complete. To set up the admin PIN code, first, navigate to the main menu by pressing the Set button at the bottom of the interior housing, using a small pointed object, listening for a single beep, and watching for the PIN pad to illuminate. Then, enter the default admin code of 000000, followed by the check mark. Then enter the new 6-digit admin code followed by the check mark. Repeat entry of the new admin code and press the check mark a second time and listen for a long beep confirming success. You have now set up your admin PIN code.